Did you know that stuffed bell peppers are not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of nutrients? Here's a quick and fun recipe for savory stuffed bell peppers that you can try today. Start with colorful bell peppers, red, yellow, or green. Just one ingredient you need is cooked quinoa, which is a fantastic source of protein and fiber. Mix the quinoa with diced tomatoes, black beans, corn, and your favorite spices like cumin and paprika. This combination is not just tasty, it's packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health and keep your energy levels up. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, scoop out the tops of the peppers, and stuff them generously with the quinoa mixture. Imagine a dinner that not only looks vibrant, but also keeps you full for hours, with each bite bursting with flavor. Bake for about 25-30 minutes until the peppers are tender and slightly caramelized. You'll enjoy a delightful texture and flavor that makes eating healthy fun. This dish is perfect for meal prep or a cozy family dinner, and it's sure to impress your guests. Would you try this? Share your thoughts or your favorite healthy food hack.